strategy. Good morning, DJ. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a good morning. It is Monday, April 28th. The time is currently 9:16 a.m. What's good, DJ? Another week and we're back at it again. All right, let's get straight into it then. Today I woke up seven. I actually woke up before my 7 o'clock alarm to do the things that humans do. But obviously I came back, lay down, 7:30 alarm went off, got up again, lay down, then officially up and moving until like about 7:50. Okay. Um, yeah, it was a weird morning. It's like I woke up like 2 minutes before my 7 o'clock alarm was gonna go off. But anyway, go up at 7:50. All right. Haven't hydrated yet, but I will be hydrating. Hold on. Hydrated. Rolled out my goals, stretched, I read, and I meditated. Okay, so got that morning routine in. Arrived at my desk at like 9:13. Okay, as always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is the 2 bullets. All right, per session, per account, however that goes. Mental check-in, feeling pretty good today. All right, I'm excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1% better. Don't mind the hair. I washed it yesterday. Need to finish it today, so don't mind the hair. All right, this is me in my natural habitat. um, so yeah, feeling pretty excited. Got my models situated now. Okay, so we're like set in stone. No switching, no changing. Got my two models, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with where I'm at with my growth and my progression. So excited for price action today. As always, ready to grow and get 1% better. Risk disclaimer: I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk, and now losing is part of the game. News, no news today, but it is NFP week, all right, NFP Monday, so we can take a trade today, even though there's no news, all right, because it's NFP. I will looking to be done, like trading on the combines by Wednesday AM session. I will see how the rest of the week goes, and then obviously we'll take break Thursday, Friday, and we'll trade obviously on those days because we got news, so it makes an optimal day to take a trade. Like, just not on my ends account. Any other account that I have, fine to trade through PM session. I'll post AM session Wednesday, but on the ends account, that shit is done at Wednesday AM session. But yeah, no news today. But like I just mentioned, it's NFP week, so we're good to take a trade today. If you're looking for X Factories, the same. They got no news. Risk going into today will be one as usual. Okay, we're staying at one until further notice. So that's determined. Weekly condition. I did do my weekly analysis on yesterday. I didn't record it, all right, but I did it. Okay, I'm in a buy program. Okay, which means I'm anticipating a larger expansion to the upside, all right, more than the downside, obviously. Duh. So let's go ahead and review price action to see if anything's happened to change my weekly program for me. Okay. Always start with dollar. Trying to get that intermarket analysis going. Okay, as you can see, dollar came into the monthly busy, seen a bit of a retracement. We do have a weekly CB here, okay, which also has buy side above it, right? Oh, it's not going to show, it only shows the monthly, right? We have a weekly high, okay, right here with an efficiency above price. So I'm anticipating price to come further up into here, and then whether it wants to continue lower, okay, I'll let price action tell me what it wants to do. But for now, all right, dollar, I'm anticipating dollar to retrace into this CB, taking buy side with it. But overall, dollar is downtrending, okay, meaning risk on scenario, meaning all other asset classes should be going up. MNQ. MNQ. Yeah. Completely filled in that gap there that we had. Okay, my next draw on liquidity for MNQ is by the 20-day high, okay, which is here into this inefficiency on the daily time frame, which as you can see on the 4 hour we got efficiency as well. slowly clear out on the weekly. We do have the remainder of this CB here. Okay, should price want to come all the way up here, that will be taking this buy side here too. But for right now, my draw is 20-day high, okay, which is right here into this inefficiency. Yeah, below price we have a daily busy, a tiny one. Okay, we have this one that I already used last week, but we do have this one below price on the 4 hour. We have this buy formation here on the 4 hour. We have this CB until right now, right? Until price closes below this CB and takes this low. All right, I'm anticipating higher prices. It's my current understanding. My model is actually like helping me understand price action and like where price wants to go. So like I'm trying to frame it on the higher time frame as well, just so I can gauge a better understanding of where the higher time frame is going as well. So pretty cool, man. Pretty sick. So on the daily, until this is traded as closed below and this low goes, all right, we're still aiming for premium pricing. Okay, so on the 4 hours here, once that goes, I know that this is next in line, right? For my current understanding. So anyway, for my current understanding of price action, nothing's really happened, all right, overnight, all right, to change my weekly program. Okay, like I said, I'm anticipating this buy side to get taken this week and potentially to come into this inefficiency. And where price wants to go to after that, I'll let it tell me what it wants to do. But for now, that's my draw on liquidity for the week. So yeah, let's go ahead and note any key highs and lows. And get ready for opening bell, go over our procedures and protocols, and get ready for the day. Uh, this is this week's new opening gap. New week opening gap. We gap down. And back in here. All right, above price, we have a weekly high. Last week's weekly high right here, which is not present on the 1 minute. So weekly high, so we'll extend it. Ay, 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 share the space, kids. No other buy side until we get up here. The 20-day high. We want to find put down. Go ahead. Cool. Just open book. Anyway, we have lunch. Lunch session buy side. I believe PM session is in line with this weekly buy side. Yeah, yeah, 4 p.m. Yeah. Wait, I did say I was gonna remove the background because I didn't like how it was looking. We only 1 hour. I can leave out 5 minutes. Found it. For lunch buy side. PM session buy side, which is in line with the weekly high there, so we'll leave it alone on the 1 hour anyway. We have PM session on the 15-minute time frame there, which price is currently engaging in right now. Lunch is the same on, yeah, it's the same. It's on the same line as the new week opening gap high there. Low price, which is what everything is right now. We go London session buy side, just different on these time frames. Rate. Asia, which is the same on here, so love that. AM session from Friday. It's in close proximity to Asia. Which is on the sell side. Don't see it's fresh. Let's see. Washed my hair yesterday, so you know the deal. Opening bell. An insignificant gap there. But anyway, it was above price. Okay, so we gap down. Tiny gap down there. Let's get Asia low on there. Oh, we got London low too, right? Now, 15-minute London buy side was engaged here, but it's just getting engaged on that 1 hour there. Pretty much all the highs I need right now. The highs and lows, I meant, don't want to single out anybody. Still in 1 minute there. Confirmed. Right now. Low price, we got London sell side, Asia sell side, PM session sell side on the 15-minute, and lunch sell side from Friday. Also AM session sell side from Friday. Actually, put Asia sell side there. We'll go a minute on this fair value gap here. 5 minute sell confirmed there. And that's Friday's AM session buy side 150. That's me. Oh, is this how it goes? This will be an effect if it comes in it during a micro. I'll demo it. Probably below this low. And we'll wait for a high to bring us back into this. Taking that buy side, confirming this buy set up here. Sell turns into buy. Now it's about time. I want to see it come back in it during the macro. Heading for PM session buy side and last week's previous daily high. This high here. Right now, price action is telling me that it wants to go high. All right, grab it. Now I love it. It comes off the tongue so nicely. Rating that buy side, which was last week's previous daily high, previous weekly high, and also PM session high on the 1 hour time frame. Give me 1 minute. Should we go here? So I'm gonna take side by side. Making a weekly low there. Low key low, swing low, displacement potentially. Also confirming that. Having a yogurt for breakfast. Market is open. Yeah, I know that. I'm waiting for 950 micro. That's my limit. Because anytime in there, I'm okay to get in there. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. Beverly gap here, we confirm a cell. That's outside of micro. That's the tell me what was the thing first. No, it has a hunter gatherer. Hunt the cell. It's my job. Order filled. Tagged in there, 954. Just getting 123 to make 435. I accept the risk that comes with this trade. Should it take me out? Over 1 to 3 there. 375. Yeah. So it's over 1 to 3. The sale's gonna demo right now. I'm still testing that. It's so good. Should have got taken out there. Auto field. I can accept that. And my heart is still open. Do have a sale now. You have 1 minute, waiting for the 5 minute to confirm this fair value gap here. Below price, we've got London session sell side, Asia sell side, and PM session sell side on the 15 minute. 1 hour's like down here. Okay, now my small displacement, structure shift, value gap, 15-minute buy. Should be 5 minutes sell there. But I want to get in up here. I sell for the 1 minute macro trade. Dead to me. Watch this be the trade. Yeah. Takes me up here though to that sell. And I'll tag us in because of the 5 minute. 1, 2, so right here. Let's see. Huge stuff there, boy. I don't want no parts of that one. Let's wait till 10 o'clock. We'll wait till post 10 o'clock at least. Okay. My entries here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. You have a higher up above it. And I did say that, yeah, I said I'm gonna go for the lower one. If it takes me out, then obviously I'll get in on the second one if I have the capacity to. Ugh. Tag me in there. Oh yeah. Five, 2, 6. Meaning for 1 minus 1 is what 5, 2, 5. Still didn't come and tag you on. Tag you in 5, 2, 5 there. If it goes without me, it goes without me. 5 minutes. Yeah, let me wait till that open range is completed. Then after 10, be on the lookout for entry and sells. Cool. After 10, because still drawing the macro here and it can still come in. So Open range, buy side and sell side, confirmed. More with the buy, to be honest. It's my weekly program, right? What is closing below? After 10. Noted. NFP Monday. Yeah, I'm inclined to be on the buy side just because it's my weekly program. Because of the 15-minute right here. I'll just wait for the auto field because now it's just playing. It just say I'll wait for the auto field, right? It'll tell me when it's in there. It'll say auto field. Right now I'm following this to see how it pans out. -1 is up here. Oh, let's see where move to 5 minute. If it gives me a CB, or I still be a buy set up here inside of the 5 minute CB there. So I'll be interested in that. If it gives it to me. We got London below price, came and created relatively equal lows there. We go Asia, got a lot sell side below price. You can see the wicks through the damages, the bodies are telling a story on a 5 minute. It's failing to close above consequent encouragement. But let's see if it gives me a ICB on a 1 minute. Yeah, if not, I'm not interested there. If you leave me, you go far. I'm gonna be water filled. There we go. I'm aware there's a higher setup here. And that obviously reduces my trade probability. Sorry. Give me the, there you go, damn it. 850 watts. Risking 106 to make 474 over 1 to 3. So let's see. But like I said, I'm more inclined with the buys right now. PP1 here takes us to the sell. So let's see, which is outside of the macro. Leave me go value. Closed above it on the 5 minute. Don't want to see you respect this busy right here. Or this open block here. Don't want to see you respect it. Like that we close below the city. I mean the busy, sorry there. But constant encouragement, we just about close that mean threshold. Not constant encouragement, mean threshold. This could potentially be another sell here using London session buy side. Key high, swing high, displacement. See if it leaves a fair value gap. We could get in again, obviously, because it's above that zero line. Offers another opportunity. That's so we have here of the zero. Entries above zero. Once it leaves zero, no more entries for us. But I do want to see the Civic key price lower. I won't get in again because obviously I'm only at one contract right now, and I'm already in the sell account, so can't take another set of trade there. But anyway, I do want to see that Civic key price lower. Even though my program is a buy, doesn't mean we can't get some sales. First day of the week, it might go. Oh, seasonal tendency says it goes down first, beginning of the week, and then it goes up. So potential Tuesday and Wednesday low of the week, maybe. Or it also could be a Monday low of the week. But we're in there now, so it's in the market and the model's hands. Nothing I can do except watch price and see if I see the characteristics I want to see. Nasa alam gabi best friend mo time patience was oh for you baby. I am baby. No, the 50% for that buy was over there. I mean, point negative 0.5. Negative 0.5 is in line with the weekly low there. I was going to go that low. 106, 404 is about what? 1 to 4? Over 1 to 4, no? NASA, I'm gonna be your best friend. 1, 2, 3. Time patience for asylum. 4.5. Okay, let's see then. I like that we close below this there. I wanted to respect this mean threshold though. And to take this high easily. Wait for it to happen inside for the we might have to play out. But sometimes it does come into that and then it goes too. So we'll do what you want to do. What I can do is just collect more data and see what the best times are for me, where I feel comfortable and just talking to myself, having a staff meeting with me, myself, and I. Lady. Threshold, yeah, is respecting it. I don't like that. That is the first percentage where value go. But what busy is supporting price higher now. It is telling me that it's wants to go high. But let's see how it behaves in SCP here. We take this becomes a buy here, inversion, and I will be closing this trade. If we take this, I will reduce the risk. Those are the 106. Maybe I can eat that. This is a supporting price. Yeah, this busy, and this busy, and this busy, and this busy. Busy, 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 busy. Sell set up here, potentially using London buy again if we get CB confirmed. But now it should have no qualms coming to take these two. If it does, that's a problem. So it doesn't create this CB there. That's now strike one. Strike one. Strike two, we'll be taking this buy here. Strike three, I'll take it as a closure above this. But strike two, I'm reducing. I'm rooting for you though. You go ahead, demo. Do your thing. 'Me. 1050 macro. Where you go for me? 1050 macro. What you got for me? This will be another sell here if it confirms the CB. 2, 3, 4. Fourth candle for there you go. At London session buy side. Now, just reduce my sell trade probably today for me. Probably the longest I've been in the trade. We're in it at what? 10:24. Oh, they say it's the longest. 10:24 is about to be what, 30 minutes in a minute. Yeah, yeah, right. Oh, in a minute it'll be 30 minutes. At 10:54 it'll be 30 minutes. Mm. It was in line with AM session sell side from Thursday. One comes to AM session from Friday. See, take this low, disrespect this, take that low, take that. Respect this low, disrespect this. Look down low. In 3 minutes, if this fair value gaps gets confirmed, there's another sell on the 5 minute there, which will increase my probability a little bit for me. Disrespect this. Show no regard for it. Treat it like it's not even there. That's what I want to see. Not like that, bro. Less than a minute. We'll confirm this. 5 minute sell. Using London buy side. Oh, no, no, London. Yeah, London buy side on the 15 minute. London is buy side is on the 1 hour. Civvy should keep price low. Yeah. What a footballer looks like. Laces. Still rocking that shit. Shrinkage is real on the 4C hair, boy. Don't let this short afro fool you, motherfucker. Man's got hair up here. And to see some movements here to take these lows and take me out of that trade. And potentially, I want to keep an eye on this. Let's see here. So it takes me out. I want to keep an eye on it. Oh. Disrespect that low, please. Thank you. Show no regard for it, like it's not even there. Unless take or oh, there's gonna take opening range by south side in it. So no regard for it. Yeah, all right, cool. Open range south side getting taken here. Let's see how price behaves. Let's see if it gives us a buy sell. I prefer it not to actually work. Be more beneficial for me if it didn't. We have PM session Southside, London, Asia, PM. We also got lunch. So he's got beef downside. So let's handle that beef first, and then we can continue the upside, right? Let's take care of that. But I'm active here, okay? It could potentially give me a buy setup, but we'll see. My morning session is about to be done, so if it does give a buy setup, it'll be going without me. It's not even looking like it. Grabbing London session, or grabbing, liquidating London session, sell side there. Okay, we got Asia below it, PM session, lunch session, and AM session from Friday below price, which is definitely before my one. Let's put a thing here, so I will move to 50, or yeah, move to 50. So let's delete this. 50 is here, which is better than break even, so we'll take that. 360, so I need, yep, that one I need to be 360. Bless me. Morning session will be done here at 11:30. Let's go to 11:30. Back up PM session on the 15-minute there. No buy yet. This is a sell here. 1, 2, 3, Beverly Gap. Also, we have an inversion, so this should keep price lower there. Asia buy side. You can see this candle or this candle be involved in a fairly gap busy, okay, for me to be interested in this buy. Excuse me. Very unladylike of me. All right. Let's see if we get Sibi busy. 2, 3, 4. Also coming to the Sibi cell here. So let's see. Nothing for me there. Cell right here. Should we get above that? Take this by side. Should be coming inversion. So let's follow that. Same thing here. Then give it to us, guys. Still possibly. Haven't done Wordle in so long. Forgot all about that crap. Since they started giving these freaking ads. What's the risk again? 106 to make 474. Taking Asia sell side there. Lunch session in the cross areas from Friday. PM session getting liquidated there on a 15-minute. Lunch is next in line. Thank you very much. Break even me, please, at 50. Thank you. What's the 50? It's 506. I want it on the dot because I don't want no problems. Hey, I said 506. Give me a 506, bro. Only give me a 506. All right, 506.50. We'll take that whatever. Risk-free trade. Okay, if it comes and takes me out here, it'll be for profit of $38. So that's what I like to see. We like risk-free trades. Now we just wait to see if it hits our first initial target. Nothing more I can do here. Out of my hands. I like this. I'm in the trade. Risk-free trade. We love a risk-free trade. Look at L here. It's all good. It's all part of the game. Leave it alone. Right. Lunch session got liquidated there. We could potentially get a buy set up here. Morning session will be done in less than what that? Will it be about before in 6 minutes? Then we'll do a trade performance review and get out of here. Let's see if I'll update you guys. PM session, see if target gets hits. Either way, won't be losing nothing in this trade. So I'm sitting pretty. Yeah. This is why I don't do this shit, because I can never think of a freaking word. I'm not good with words. 5 minute would be moving to 50% there, which would be for small loss because entry would be here. But that risk though on that 5 minute was a mad thing. That was not my cup of tea there. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the trade alone. It'll be interesting to see if it turns around here as -5. Been in this trade since what? Since 10:24. It's been over an hour and 2 minutes. Going into 3 now. Okay, then. So this right here should keep price lower now that we were below it. There's a buy. Once price took this sell side here, comes inversion. So this should keep price lower until we get back above here. For now, should be selling. Entry was here, stop here. Yeah, 4.5. Fudge. All right, let's do a trade performance review and be done here for the morning session. I moved to, it's a risk-free trade now, so my hands is either gonna take me out for a small win or it's gonna hit my take profit. Either way, I'm cool with that trade. Well, I did well today. All right, I showed up. Okay, got 1% better, gained experience, learned lessons. Okay, I learned today that I want to wait till 9:50, post 9:50. All right, let's see if the macro gives me a setup. But really and truly, I want to, if it gives me a setup and the entry in the macro code, that's what I'm looking for. All right, but I want that 30 minutes, the opening range to finish first before I anticipate entering the market. All right, so post 10 o'clock is when we're anticipating, but really and truly, I'm waiting for that 10:15 candle to finish. Then we'll see what price is really saying at that time, because that will confirm the opening range buy side and sell side on the 15-minute time frame there. So yeah, showed up, go 1% better. Where I fell short today, it was a macro entry, so I have no qualms about that. I back tested last week and it panned out sometimes and it didn't. And that's just how the game goes, right? So there was nothing wrong with my initial trade there when I was what it was a buy here and which it failed. Okay, so I was waiting for it to come in. Even on the 5 minute, it was the same thing. So yeah, no qualms with that. Um, but yeah, I would say that I fell short because where I fell short would be I said that I was gonna demo trade it, obviously because I'm still testing that model, okay, and it's not ready for obviously trading combine yet. That's still a demo anyway, but still I want to be collecting data on it here first. So I fell short there, I would say. It literally came out my mouth. If I see it, I'm gonna demo it and then I entered it on on the trade. But no worries there. Oh, one, two, three. No worries there. It is what it is. That's why I fell short. Also wake up time really and truly. Should have been up when I was up at, before my 7 o'clock alarm. I should have stayed up, but I was bedtime. But took that thing that humans do, came back, lay down, didn't get up till 7:50. So I'll say wake up time as well for today. How I can improve for next day, next trading session is you have your models now, okay? Keep collecting the data, stick to them, don't deviate from them, don't let short-term adversity take you away from what you got going on. Keep sticking to the model procedures and protocols that you have set in place and really keep exercising that muscle discipline in terms of risk, following your plan and processes, and just keep doing what you're doing, okay? You're doing great. I'm very pleased with my performance today. Even though we took a loss, we're still in a trade now. But obviously, losses are the only things promised to traders. I understand that. I accept that. Okay. And I already accepted the risk of the trade when I went in it. I already accepted the risk of the trade when I went in it. And 122 is an L I can eat. All right. I can eat that. I can accept that. And my heart is still open. Okay. There's potential 2, 3. Look, buy here. But time wise, oh no. If I'm downside of it, I'm inside of it. Oh no. 11:30. But anyway. This, I want to see, break that. Oh, I have to take this hiding in it because it's the last cell there. But anyway, I'll update you guys. Obviously, you know DJ, you know PM session, by PM session if my take profit was hit or if it came to hit my stop loss. Already nothing to hide there. Alright, it is what it is. I'm gonna leave it as it is now. But yeah, that will be my morning session. That will be the morning session for me. The growth is real right now. So happy with my performance. So pleased with the way that my progression is going. And that's just because of dedication, um, perseverance, and just sticking, just grinding it out, and never giving up. All right. You only fail when you quit, DJ. All right. Remember that. But yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch session, get something to eat, and then we'll be back out taking off for the PM session at 1:20. NFP Monday, doing his thing. I'm doing my thing. Mark is doing his thing. We all doing our thing over here, okay? I do want to capture the take profit on here, DJ, but I also don't know how long it's gonna take for it to get there. So I don't want this video to be too long, too long, you know. But we waited so long already. It's been over an hour and some change in this trade. Yeah, over an hour and some change. If it doesn't want to give it to me on air, or it doesn't want to give it to me off air, like I said, is a risk-free trade. And we love risk-free trades. We could potentially begin a buy here using a lunch session sell side from on Friday. Okay. Potentially retrace into this range here. Won't be my trade because I'm done already. But If we miss me at TP, this will be because of this will be the reason for it, in my opinion. But this should keep price lower. So hey, whatever it happens to do, it do. Obviously, lunchtime is when lunch runs on whatever's been happening in the morning, which has obviously been down. So I might want to run on these buy side, one on these buy sides, or up here, or potentially up here. Hey, if it comes and takes me out, it's all good. It's a good learning experience. It's teaching me the patience to set my limits and just let the price do its thing, right? But this is a good buy setup for me here. Okay. But other than that, it's okay. It is what it is. We're done for the day, not the day, for the morning. I'll be back, DJ, for the PM session. Whatever happens, happens. It's out of my hands. DJ, we're getting a buy setup, but it's all good. I'll catch you in the PM session. All right. Take it easy. You only fail when you quit. All right. As always, happy hunting.